Hey there, Mark. Have you ever delved into the fascinating history of Lamborghini and Mercedes? I find it intriguing how these two iconic car manufacturers took different paths.
Absolutely. Alex, Lamborghini's story is particularly captivating. It all began in 1963 when Ferruccio Lamborghini, a tractor manufacturer, decided he could build better cars than Ferrari. The first Lamborghini, the 350 GT, debuted in 1964. Imagine challenging Ferrari and succeeding right out of the gate.
Ferrari must have been fuming. Speaking of competition, Mercedes-Benz has a rich history too. It goes way back to 1886 when Carl Benz patented the motorwagon, widely considered the first true automobile. And of course, there's the 1926 merger with Benz XU, forming the Mercedes-Benz we know today.
That's impressive longevity. Lamborghini, though, has its fair share of anecdotes. Did you know the Countach name came from an Italian exclamation of astonishment? It sure lived up to its name in the 70s and 80s with its futuristic design.
Absolutely. And speaking of design, Mercedes has its own iconic moments. The gullwing doors on the 300ZL in the 1950s were groundbreaking. And who can forget the elegant curves of the 540K in the 1930s? Each decade seemed to bring a new design marvel.
Lamborghini, though, faced financial troubles in the 80s and 90s. Chrysler took over for a while, leading to models like the Diablo and the iconic Lamborghini SUV LM2. It wasn't until the Audi acquisition in 1998 that Lamborghini truly regained its luster.
True, and that Audi connection also brought us the outrageous V10 Gallardo and the Aventador. But controversies never seem far from Lamborghini. Remember the Egoista concept car in 2013. Talk about pushing the boundaries of design.
The Egoista, a single-seater fighter jet on wheels. Mercedes-Benz, on the other hand, faced its share of controversies too. The infamous A-Class Elk test incident in 1997 raised concerns about stability, prompting significant redesign. As a tech back, but they rebounded strong.
Fast forward to today, and both brands have evolved. Lamborghini's Urus SUV, a departure from their traditional supercars, has been a game changer, and Mercedes continues to innovate with their electric EQ line, keeping up with the times.
Speaking of keeping up, have you seen market values lately? Lamborghini's limited edition models like the Centenario and Scion are fetching astronomical prices, and Mercedes, with its luxury and performance lineup, maintains a strong presence in various markets.
It's incredible how these manufacturers have stood the test of time, each leaving an indelible mark on the automotive world. Lamborghini and Mercedes-Benz, two legends with different stories, yet both have shaped the industry in their unique ways.